Hey, good morning. Happy Friday. So I've never done this route before in dark and in the rain. So I was like, hey, this is a good opportunity and let's see how it does. There are a lot of leaves on the street too, so this would be a very good test. That was good. It didn't break after it decided that it's gonna go. There are leaves everywhere, so and rain. Mind you, all the people who say that cameras don't work properly in the rain, technically they're correct, but compared to LiDAR, they work better, in my experience, is what I've noticed. Because, like, for example, Cruise, it's LiDAR, radar based, it has like tens of sensors, and if it's raining, it's not gonna work. It tells you we're waiting for the weather to get better or something like that. So this still works. Sometimes it'll give you a warning, hey, poor weather detected, and it will not work, but the autopilot function still works. Not the autopilot, sorry, the auto street. See, it is giving you warning right now, full self-driving degraded, poor weather detected. But it still works. It's just a warning to maybe make sure you're paying more attention, which I am, than normal. But over time, with a full like vision system, it will work, even in the rain. At least that's what I'm hoping for. That's what it looks like. It's early in the morning, so I'm not really gonna try to make any disengagements today and just let it do its thing and see how it performs. At least I'm gonna try to make as less disengagements as possible. Oh, that would have. That might have hit the curb. It looks like full self-driving is not activating for some reason. Might be because of the rain. Let's wait a little bit and see if it lets me. Yep, there it is. Because sometimes in the rain it will be like, hey, it is raining too hard and I cannot see. So good. Good. It did good. That was one disengagement so far. Let's see if it takes this one, the semi-left turn that it always has problems with. Seems like it's gonna do it. Okay, it did it. That was good. And now it's going straight. What the hell? Oh my Lord, that was horrible. There are no cars around at this time, so this is good. Let it do what it wants to do. It's still not there. It's still not done. That turn is like a coin flip. It does stay sometimes too close to the right. Makes me uncomfortable. Sometimes. Most of the times it tries, it stays in the center. But sometimes for some reason it'll choose to stay on the right side of the lane. Or the left side when the cars are coming from the front. It could improve on that. It's giving me that warning again. Full self-driving might be degraded, but I'm paying attention, so we'll be fine. A lot of time it just taps on the brakes for some reason. It never happened before in the last one. It's doing that a lot lately. I still haven't received the new update, the 6.9.3. It might have a lot of bugs right now. That's what it is improved a ton, but it still has some bugs I think they need to fix out. And maybe they'll give out everybody 6.9.3.1, because right now only the OG testers have it technically, and the employees. It still breaks here for no reason. I'm gonna take a snapshot of that. We ever take a left here? Let's see if it sees it. Looks like it did, yep. Pretty smooth left. Nobody's coming from the other side. There are leaves everywhere on the street. But it's been doing good so far. I mean, I'm impressed. Rain, dark, leaves. It still did well. It's giving me that again. One or more side cameras occluded, it says. It's just dark. It's really dark right now. And I live in the country, so it's especially dark. Not a lot of light pollution. And we are at our destination. Make sure you hit the like button, guys, and thank you for watching.